Good morning, class 7. Welcome back to chemistry classroom once again. Today, actually, I will discuss exercise of this chapter 1. So, I will discuss objective type question only because this question actually practical oriented, experimental oriented question. So, except 6, 7, and 8 rest question are basically long question. It is not possible to discuss in this video. So I will discuss the objective type question as well as number 6, 7, 8 question only. So look at here. The first question is match the characteristic of the three states of matter in list 1 with their correct answer from list 2. Have no definite shape, volume or free surface. Answer will be gases only. Are highly compressible and least rigid. It is also gases only. Have a definite volume, no definite shape and are slightly diffusible. Answer is liquids and gases only. Are not compressible and have no diffusibility. That is solids only. Have a mass and occupy space. Actually, these are the character of matter. That's why the answer will be solids, liquids and gases because matter are available in three states. Next, select the correct answer from the choice in the bracket to complete each sentences. Matter is defined as anything that occupies space and has mass. The three states of matter are classified on the basis of differences of certain physical properties because the states of matter related to the physical properties. Matter made up of one kind of particles is said to be homogeneous because homo means same. Similar kind of particles se banta hai, that's why it is homogeneous. Particles in gas possess very large kinetic energy. That's why the particles are at atom motion. इसीलिए gas can move freely. The intermolecular force of attraction is maximum in solids. Next, give reason for the following. Solids have no definite shape. Solids have no definite shape or volume. Actually, give reason for the following question. Solids have no definite shape or volume because solid possesses a definite shape because the particles are very closely packed. The intermolecular force of attraction is maximum between the particles. That's why the intermolecular space is negligible. That's why solids have a definite shape. Liquids have one free upper surface only. As because liquids, basically liquids have one free surface because the particles are far apart rather than solid. The space is larger than solid in liquid. That's why in which container we will keep the liquid possesses its shape. That's why it has only one upper surface. Globules of mercury kept in a petri dish which is shaken slowly come together forming a big globule because intermolecular force of attraction is existed in between the particles. Next, a crystal of iodine on slow heating in a closed flux. Closed flux में जब हम लोग आयोडीन को लेकर हीट देंगे, after turn into vapor, it fills the complete flux because in case of vapor, it turn into gaseous state. Then the particles are at random motion. They have possess a great kinetic energy. इसीलिए पूरा फ्लास्क को फिल कर लेता है. An empty tumbler lowered into a glass beaker containing water on tilting shows bubbles of air coming out, but when not tilted, no bubbles are seen because high pressure created in the tumbler actually just force the air just coming out. When the container, I mean glass beaker, will tilt, then the air just coming out. That's why we will see the bubbles. Next, matching. सॉलिड एक्स टू लिक्विड वाई, मतलब सॉलिड से हमको लिक्विड में लेके आना है, तो हम क्या करेंगे नॉर्मली, दैट इज मेल्टिंग. लिक्विड वाई टू इट्स वेपर जेड, लिक्विड से वेपर में ट्रांसफर हो रहा है, दैट इज वेपोराइजेशन प्रोसेस. जेड टू वाई, अगेन वेपर से लिक्विड में लेके आना है, दैट इज लिक्विफिकेशन और कंडेंसेशन. नेक्स्ट जेड टू वाई, वेपर से हो गया, अगेन वाई टू एक्स, मतलब लिक्विड से सॉलिड में आना है, दैट इज सॉलिडिफिकेशन. द टेम्परेचर एट विच वाई चेंजेस टू जेड, दैट इज बॉइलिंग पॉइंट, मतलब जो टेम्परेचर में लिक्विड वेपर में ट्रांसफर हो रहा है, दैट इज बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट मैच द अरेंजमेंट्स ऑफ द एटम्स. Arrangement of atoms very closely packed in solids. Interparticle space is maximum, again solids. Force of attraction between particles is very weak, that is gas. Movement of particles is about their own position, only solids. Particles in the state of matter are slightly compressible and not closely packed, that is liquid. Liquid can slightly compressible and the particles are not closely packed. Next, look at the difference here. Differentiate the general properties of solid, liquid and gas. मतलब हर एक पॉइंट को कंपेयर करना है. In case of mass, the three states of matter possess its own mass. Next, space. Between the particles of solid, the space is negligible. In case of liquid, the space is rather than larger than solid. Next, gas. gas पे सबसे ज्यादा है, मतलब intermolecular space is negligible, maximum. Volume, same way, solid का, liquid का, gases का have proper volume. मतलब नॉर्मली लिक्विड जिस कंटेनर में हम लोग रखेंगे उस कंटेनर का वॉल्यूम पकड़ लेगा. सेम वे गैस. शेप, सॉलिड का प्रॉपर शेप होता है, लिक्विड और गैसेस का प्रॉपर शेप नहीं होता है. कॉम्प्रेसिबिलिटी, इन केस ऑफ सॉलिड दैट इज नॉट कॉम्प्रेसिबल, लिक्विड स्लाइडली कॉम्प्रेसिबल, गैस हाईली कॉम्प्रेसिबल. डेंसिटी सॉलिड का सबसे ज़्यादा है, लिक्विड का उसके कम और गैस का सबसे कम. फ्री सरफेस, सॉलिड्स का फ्री सरफेस है, लिक्विड का सिर्फ अपर फ्री सरफेस एंड गैस का कोई फ्री सरफेस नहीं होता है. डिफ्यूशन, as because the particles is closely packed, that's why the space is negligible. In case of solid, the diffusion process is least. In case of liquid, that is slightly, and gas, that is highly diffusible. Next, state in which of the three states of matter are the atoms or particles far apart? Gas. The space between the particles is minimum. Liquid. The force of attraction between the particles is very weak. Gas. And the movement of the particles are neither about their own position nor in any at random direction, that is solid. Next, 8a. Solid have a definite volume and definite shape. Because, same answer, because in case of solid, the particles between the solids are closely packed. That's why the intermolecular force of attraction is very strong. As because solid is rigid, that's why solid possesses a definite shape and volume. Same way, liquid have a definite volume but no definite shape. Volume fixed है, मगर as because the particles is far apart from each other rather than solid, that's why the particles have little bit at random motion. मतलब अगर हीट देंगे, अगर कोई दूसरा प्रेशर अप्लाई करेंगे तो दे हैव पॉसेस अ काइनेटिक एनर्जी एंड वाइब्रेट करना चालू कर देगा. इसीलिए हम लोग नॉर्मली जो कंटेनर में रखेंगे उस कंटेनर का शेप पकड़ लेता है. नेक्स्ट, गैस हैव नो डेफिनिट वॉल्यूम एंड नो डेफिनिट शेप एज बिकॉज गैस पार्टिकल्स आर फार अपार्ट. मतलब द स्पेस इज मैक्सिमम और intermolecular force of attraction is negligible. That's why gases have no definite volume and no definite shape. So student, I hope all of you understood what I have discussed in this video. Actually rest question are long questions and basically experimental oriented question. It is not possible to discuss in this video. So for today, up to this portion, and the next class I will start the second chapter.